Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to put my $416 that I have left from my November 14 paycheck. I want to put it into my saving challenges. So I have 6 different challenges that I'm actually going to be doing. I'm going to put money into the home, the IRA, the emergency fund, put it into Christmas, put it into birthdays, and then I'm going to put it into my daughter's, her birthday is coming up soon in 2 months. So I need to actually put more money into her, so I'm going to actually put more for her, so I put her here. Now this is my book where I have all of my different saving challenges in. I'm going to actually get another book and separate them because there's just so much in here, you guys. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to start stuffing these books now. We only have $416 left this time, so I can't put too much into these accounts, but we can still do something. Something is better than nothing. So let's go and start filling in these challenges. So this is my home challenge, and in my home I'm going to put $20 in. So this is the $20 I'm going to fill in for this one. Now don't forget, you can pick whichever one you want to fill in. I just know I didn't have too much money, so I just want to fill in something that's going to be quick and easy. So let's take $20 and put it into home. Now, for those people that's looking to buy a home, this is if you looking to buy a $100,000 home, you just need to save $5,000. For those people that want to buy a $200,000 home, you need to actually save $10,000. So I save $5,000 for every $100,000. And if you're looking to get a $200,000 house, you need to just basically do 2 times the amount. So you'll actually put $40 in instead of just putting the $20 in like I did. 300,000, you gotta do 3 times that amount. 400,000, the same thing. And don't forget, I'm a real estate broker, so I can actually help you buy a home. Go ahead and click that link below, and I can help you find your dream home and get pre-approved for a dream home. Now we have to put $230 aside for our IRA. You can put $6,000 in per year for your IRA. So I have $230 here. Let's go ahead and put it into our book for our IRA. And I'm going to do this one. I believe I do this one every 2 weeks. And then after the year, I'll have that $6,000 that I need to have for the IRA. So let's go ahead and fill that in for the IRA. And for those people that like looking to invest, that's the biggest reason why I want to put money into my IRA. Also, just for my future, you know, my retirement account. But you guys can take this money and invest and buy property with it. So that's why I really want to put money into there. We have the emergency fund. I'm not doing anything like major in terms of putting money into the emergency fund. I'm only putting $30 in. So let's go ahead and color in one of the raindrops, which is $30. So we have that colored in. And there are $30. Let's put that money into our emergency fund. I already have money set to the side for the emergency fund. I'm really just doing this challenge with you guys, and I'm going to put this extra money into my emergency fund when I'm done. You can do this challenge multiple times per month. I really think that you should have 3 to 6 months worth of your expenses put to the side, so all this money can keep going put to the side so that you can have that much money for the 3 to 6 months of expenses. For Christmas, I'm going to put $20 to the side for Christmas. So I'm going to actually fill in this little ball here, which is 20. And I just love this one here. You can just color it in. So just $20 for Christmas. Kind of want to just get that money saved now. So let's find our Christmas budget. Okay, here's Christmas here. And then we're going to do our birthdays next. So let's get vacation. Let's start with Janice. And I put them in order for my kids. We're not doing vacation this time. I put them in order for my kids from in order of their birthday. So with Janice, her birthday is actually coming up in 2 months. So I'm going to do $25 for her. So we have this balloon. I'm going to do $25 for her. And then also I'm going to do $31 for her. Now, after you keep filling all of these in, you should have a total of $500. And we usually do a birthday party for each of our kids. So this would be more than enough for their birthday party unless we decide to actually go somewhere, which I doubt that we're going to do for them this year, go somewhere. It's a lot of coloring, right? Okay, perfect. So we had 25, and then we have 30, 31. So let's go ahead and organize this. And all of this money is going into my Digit account. If you guys don't have the Digit account, I have a link down below where you guys can get $5 for signing up for Digit. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. Oh, wait, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. So that is going to go in for Janice. Okay, it's going to go in for her. And then I'm going to do $10 for each of my children. Well, I have mine in there also, but it looks like I need to actually get some change for us to do that because we have $60 here. So I have to get some change so that I can actually put the $10 per kid to the side. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in all of these at the top for us, and then I'm going to get change and then put these into those different envelopes. Don't forget, you guys, I have all of these available down below, so go ahead and click that link and let's start doing the savings challenge.